Imagine being told your entire life that your ideas are impossible, that you are thinking too big, that you will fail. Most people would give up. Most people would listen. But what if you did not listen? What if you believed so strongly in your vision that you were willing to risk everything? To face ridicule? To fail publicly again and again until you succeeded? Today we tell the story of Elon Musk, a man who looked at problems the world had given up on and said, "I will fix that." Not just fix it, transform it. Change the future itself. Welcome to Learn English with Stories. Let us begin. Again, everyone said he was crazy. The car industry was 100 years old. It was controlled by massive companies. How could Elon compete? How could he build an electric car that people would actually want to drive? Tesla released the Roadster, and people wanted it. Then came the Model S, then the Model 3, and suddenly the entire car industry had to change because of one man's vision. But Elon did not stop. He founded SolarCity to create solar panels. He founded Neuralink to create brain-computer interfaces. He bought Twitter to protect free speech. Every project was audacious. Every project was called impossible. What made Elon different from others who dreamed big? First, he did not just dream. He acted. He took real risks. He spent his own money. He worked harder than anyone else. He was willing to fail publicly again and again. Second, he believed in a future that others could not see. While people complained about pollution, Elon was building the solution. While NASA said Mars was a fantasy, Elon was designing rockets to get there. Third, he never accepted no as a final answer. When people said it was impossible, Elon said, "Not yet." When investors said it was too risky, Elon spent his own money. When the technology did not exist, Elon invented it. Today, SpaceX is the only private company to send humans to space. Tesla has revolutionized the car industry and forced traditional manufacturers to build electric vehicles. Elon is considered one of the most influential people on the planet. But the story of Elon Musk is not really about rockets or cars or money. It is about something deeper. It is about what happens when someone refuses to accept that something is impossible. It is about choosing vision over comfort. It is about failing again and again and again, but never giving up. Now let us learn 5 important words from Elon's story. Word number 1, vision. Vision is a noun. It means the ability to think about or plan the future with imagination and wisdom. Elon had a vision of humans living on Mars when everyone said it was impossible. Say it with me. Vision. Word number 2, audacious. Audacious is an adjective. It means extremely bold and daring. Elon's plans to go to Mars and revolutionize cars were very audacious. Say it. Audacious. Word number 3, persevere. Persevere is a verb. It means to continue doing something even when it is very difficult. Elon persevered through many rocket failures before SpaceX succeeded. Say it. Persevere. Word number 4, revolutionize. Revolutionize is a verb. It means to change something completely and make it very different from before. Elon revolutionized the car industry by making electric vehicles that people wanted. Say it. Revolutionize. Word number 5, sustainability. Sustainability is a noun. It means meeting the needs of today without harming the ability of future generations to meet their needs. Elon believes in sustainability and that is why he created Tesla and solar energy companies. Say it. Sustainability. Let us say all 5 words one more time. Vision. Audacious. Persevere. Revolutionize. Sustainability. These words describe the life of Elon Musk. Now it is your turn to practice speaking. I will say each sentence slowly. You repeat it out loud after me. Ready? Let us go. Sentence number 1. The people who change the world are the ones who refuse to accept that something is impossible. The people who change the world are the ones who refuse to accept that something is impossible. Sentence number 2. Failure is not the end of the journey. It is just one step on the way to success. Failure is not the end of the journey. It is just one step on the way to success. Sentence number 3. A big vision requires a willingness to take big risks and accept big failures. A big vision requires a willingness to take big risks and accept big failures. Sentence number 4. The future belongs to people who can imagine it before anyone else can see it. The future belongs to people who can imagine it before anyone else can see it. Sentence number 5. Never let anyone tell you that your dreams are too big or too impossible to achieve. Never let anyone tell you that your dreams are too big or too impossible to achieve. You have practiced 5 powerful sentences about vision and perseverance. Say these sentences again. They are not just English practice. They are a way to think about your own future. Did you catch the important message in today's story? Elon Musk faced impossible odds. He was told no. He was criticized. He failed publicly. He lost nearly everything. But he never stopped believing in his vision. Today, because of Elon Musk, humans are preparing to live on Mars. Because of him, electric cars are the future. Because of him, the world is moving toward sustainability. The message is simple. You do not have to accept the world as it is. You can imagine it as it could be. And if you are willing to work hard enough, to persevere long enough, to fail enough times, you can actually change it. Thank you for watching Learn English with Stories. Subscribe to this channel for more stories about amazing people who changed the world. Hit the bell icon. Share this story with someone who has a big dream. Leave a comment telling me, what is your big vision? What is the impossible thing you want to make possible? Tell me. I want to hear your dream. I will see you in the next story.